everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Children, and today we want to learn how to crochet this bralette cup. It's very easy to learn, so let's get started. Measure your breasts and start chaining from under it until the middle of it. Make a slip knot and start chaining. I make 12 chains. Make one single crochet into the second chain from the hook and into every chain all across the row. Next row, turn your work and make one single crochet into every stitch of this row. After finishing this row, flip your work like this and insert your hook into this space between row 1 and row 2. Make 3 single crochets in it and mark the second stitch. After that, make 1 single crochet in every stitch of this side of the row. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. At the end of this row, your work will look like this. Now turn your work and make 1 single crochet in every stitch until you reach those 3 single crochets that you made in one space. So I reached these 3 single crochets. Make 1 single crochet into the first one and 3 into the second one, and make 1 single crochet into each of the following stitches. In every row you should do the same thing. It means that you should make 3 single crochets into the second stitch of those 3 stitches that you made in one space and 1 into all of the following stitches. Continue doing this until you reach the size you want. So I got the size I wanted. During your work, you might face some problems. If your project starts curving upwards like this, you probably didn't work the very first stitch, or you didn't chain 1 and turn your work, start the new row. To solve this problem, at the end of each row, chain 1 and turn your work and crochet in the very first stitch. It means you shouldn't skip the very first stitch. If your project starts curving like this, don't chain 1 and then turn your work and work in the very first stitch. To solve this problem, do not chain 1 and then turn your work and crochet in the very first stitch. We should make 2 cups and then join them together. So make the first cup, chain 1 and cut the yarn like the way I will show you. For the second cup, do not chain 1 and do not cut the yarn. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to connect these 2 cups together and how to make a simple bralette. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications. See you in next tutorials. Bye!